December same-store sales.
I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. November the 9th, 2009. Oh, my goodness, what a day. This is the day, baby. Now, I do apologize, first of all, by the way, no radio last night. But again, I encourage any of you to come into Premium. Try me out for 1 week for free. GlobalFXRadio.com to sign up. Listen to what my people said, baby. We reversed. I mean, the IMF pretty much gave the green light. G20 gave the green light. When they said the dollar's still overvalued, that was pretty much it. We gapped up last night, baby. Filled in the gap beautifully in Asia. And then TTMA. To the moon, Alice. And, listen, Friday, we didn't really sell off. And if you can't beat them, you got to join them. And when we look at these charts, it's not looking pretty, people. Oh, my goodness. We got one more day for sure. Take a look at this dollar index. It is toast. Toast. We take out these lows, forget about it. Any rallies tonight, Momo. I think maybe in Asia we might have a little dollar rally, a little counter trend rally, and then bang, at some point, we're going to crack through this 75 like a hot knife in butter, baby. And you take a look at this longer term chart, there's air down here. That's about, that's like 73.50, but you measure the move here. We take out the lows, 77.70, remember that line we held? Bang. Sayonara, baby. S&Ps are gone like the wind. Absolutely gone. To the moon, Alice. First stop is going to be this whole 1128. Remember, 26, that's the 50% retracement, I believe. And it pretty much lines up right around there. But I'll tell you what, if you measure the move here from 1030 to about 1100, that says 1170. Oh, my goodness. To the moon. The stock market's never going down. And now the bears are all throwing in the towel, too. If you notice, Kaminsky came on CNBC today. He was a bear. He said we're going up for the rest of the year. Unbelievable. Gold, say hello to 1120. Say hello to my little friend. That's easy. But we're in parabolic state now. And I'll tell you, with that hurricane possibly coming and hitting Florida, I might even be down for a little while. Oil looks like it's ready to explode. Oil is flagging. No matter how you want to say it, I got to tell you, I'm ready to recommend that long oil, short gold position. Ooh. If you remember the last time I called that, that's when oil made a tremendous move here. And I think that's going to happen again. I think oil needs to play a little bit of catch-up, baby. Catch-up? Hopefully I'm not catch-up after the storm hits. I don't need some. Anyway, dollar index looking amazing. European numbers, German industrial production, awesome. Hopefully you folks, again, sign up for my Facebook fan page. Gave you the story in the morning. Stock market to the moon. Fly me to the moon. That dollar Canada trade was unbelievable. Luna yen. We're going to get to that in a second, but I'm going to try and go through all the charts today. Bang, zoom to the moon. That looks about 152. 152, easy. BNP Paribas got a 154 target. I think 154 is a big Fibonacci spot. I don't have time to go through them all. Dollar yen, I love it. All I know is, usually, when the stock market's going up, dollar yen's going up. I think it's time. I think dollar yen is ready for a big freaking move. I am loading up on dollar yen. As long as we don't take out 89.50, that's our big spot. And we're long it from 89.85. I'll tell you, I can't believe I bailed on cable. I'm long it now. I was short. But look at this dollar yen. I love it. I love it. I love a lot of things. I got to tell you, sterling is gone like the wind. Everything, no channel lines. I see nothing. I mean, we are gone. Bang, zoom to the moon. Look at that breakout. I mean, that is a monster breakout. That is not a joke. This is significant. I don't see how we're not going to 70. I don't see how this thing is not going to 70. Gone. Gone, gone, gone. Listen, I think this is the most overvalued currency out there right now. Sterling, London is in big trouble. This is a joke. But, it's going up. You can't fight the tape. There's air. Nothing. Nothing. So much for this head and shoulders pattern. It is done. Dollar Swiss. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Done. Finito. Gone. Say hello. I tell you, these Swiss are probably going to intervene in this Euro Swiss, but love it. Aussie dollar stalling at the 93 level, but it is going, gone. Like the wind. Everything gone. Say hello to 95, baby. It's going there. We got another leg up tonight. It might not be easy, but we're going. Dollar Canada, one of my best ideas. You want to talk about catch-up. Their housing number today was good. We nailed that. Nailed it. I even top-ticked it. Sold about 25, but I scaled in as it rallied up here. But this thing, do you Fibonacci? Oh, I love it. And I'm back into loving Euro Canada. Oh, baby. Say hello to 114.50 tonight. Tonight. It's only 100 pips, but we'll take it. Carry trade is going to explode into the close. Stock market, I think, is going to explode into the close. The stock market's going to be up so much. Dow right now is up 192. We're taking out the year high. Everything going higher. Look at this Kiwi. It is gone like the wind. Love it. Euro sterling, bottom today. Doji, whatever you want to call it, that's it. As long as we don't take out these lows, I love it. Euro sterling, what happened to the whole correlation these idiots were telling us about? I never believed it, but it does work sometimes, I guess. Euro sterling goes up, stock market goes up. I don't think so. Euro yen getting ready to explode. To the moon, Alice. Oh, baby. And it can't go there without dollar yen. Look at that triple top. Is it going to give way? I mean, did they give the green light for the carry trade, the IMF and the G20? I think they might have. All I know is over 36, and it's gone like the wind, too. Over 135 and change, it's gone, too. BOP, as long as we don't take out 130 today's lows, gone like the wind. People, I'm not fighting the tape, baby. This is too easy. All these charts look unbelievable. If I'm wrong, we'll be cleaned up today, and we'll give it all back if I'm wrong. But no way. Unless Armageddon happens tomorrow, we're going higher. And if we're lower, going into the open tomorrow, we're going up. I would love S&Ps to be down. And they're going to be down at some point. If the futures close at the highs, which is looking like they're up 21 handles right now, they're probably going to be a little bit negative and give us an opportunity to get in at some point, Europe, Asia, wherever. But, I mean, look at this sterling yen. This thing is ready to explode. I mean explode. It got held back because Euro sterling came in and cable came in, but I like it. I don't love it. I love this one. Oh, baby. I love this loony. Blue Horseshoe loves loony yen. Blue Horseshoe loves a loony, period. Looney Tunes. You can make it a wedge, whatever you want to call it. But this thing, they all look pretty, all the yens playing big-time catch-up. At some point, there's got to be some sort of a squeeze. New Zealand yen, that one also looks amazing. Ready to rock and roll. Look at this. We had a monster sell-off, people. We're going back up. Who knows where we're going to go? To the moon, Alice. We're going to get back into jiggy. We might even take out that 70. I'll tell you, we're going to have one of these. It looks like we're going to have one of these dollar yen rally days and everything else rally days. Oh, my goodness. Let's take a look at that Euro Canada. Another one I love. Reversal. Oh, my goodness. I love it. Any rallies, as long as we don't take out 160, looking very good. And look at this pound Aussie. I think that's rolling over also. Again, the pound finally showed a little weakness. We got quarterly inflation report coming in on Wednesday. I think it's going to suck. I think the pound, look at this, baby, rolling over. Last I heard, Australia was the commodity currency, not London. And commodities, TTMA, to the moon, Alice. Again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, I'm going to do another 3-month deal Christmas time. December 15th is when I'm going to do the 3-month deal. So you can try me out for a week, see if you like me, cancel, come back in the middle of December. I don't care. To sign up again for my free 1-week trial via PayPal, globalfxradio.com. And again, we got killed everything gapped up against us. We got killed, but we got out into the pullback and got long, baby, to the moon. Futures weren't even up that much in Asia. But I got to tell you, this euro yen, I mean, isn't this the precursor for the stock market? So much for Dennis Gartman. I love it. I think this baby's going higher. And again, dollar yen, Blue Horseshoe loves. As long as we don't take this low out. I might even give it to 89. Blue Horseshoe loves dollar yen. Blue Horseshoe loved Canada. Dollar Canada down today, but it's coming a long way. Info at globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, baby. The only voice you will ever need. There's no one better, baby, in Forex that truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.